हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। बड़ों को नमस्ते और छोटों को स्माइल। नाउ फ्रेंड्स, टुडे आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट वेरी important herb, that is basil, tulsi. Yes friends, I know many of you must be thinking that everyone knows the benefits of tulsi and how it cures fever and many diseases. But friends, there are many other benefits of tulsi mixed with some ingredients will be very useful to you. So please listen till the end, as this information will be very beneficial for you for ages friends. Now friends, as far as tulsi plant is concerned, it has 5 varieties. Surprised to know? Yes friends, it has 5 varieties. Number 1, Krishna Tulsi. Secondly, Dhrudarshi Tulsi. Third, Rama Tulsi. Fourthly, Babi Tulsi. And fifth, Tukashmiya Tulsi. Yes friends, all of these are found in almost every country in the world depending upon its tropical climate. Yes friends, now coming to the benefits of it. Tulsi can keep your skin fresh and beautiful. Yes friends, now let us talk firstly about the tulsi as a beautifier. Yes friends, now everyone wants that his or her skin should glow. So for natural freshness of the skin of your face, try this out. Yes friends, for natural Yes friends, for natural freshness of the skin of the face, try this. Take some water in a vessel. Squeeze half a lemon into it. Now add some tulsi leaves, a handful of mint leaves, and boil it. Now cover your hair and expose only your face to the steam. Yes friends, apply some of the water to your face when it has cooled down. If you have dark spots on your face, then also regular use of tulsi every morning and evening will be very beneficial for you, and it will keep your face fresh, clean and glowing. Yes friends, you can open my description box for every detail later on as to what ingredients we should mix with it. Yes friends. You must be knowing many benefits of tulsi, but you know friends, tulsi is used for treatment of snake bites, stings of insects and other poisons. You can check out the ingredients used with tulsi in the description box. Making it short, also friends, you must be knowing that for all fever types it is very effective. But friends, drinking the juice obtained by grinding tulsi leaves and sunflower leaves together is beneficial in all types of fever. Lastly, but not the least, it is helpful for women also. Yes friends, it's very helpful for women. Tying tulsi leaves to the waist is beneficial to women, especially when they are pregnant. The labor pains are less severe and delivery is easier. Yes friends, continued excess bleeding can be gradually reduced and ultimately stopped by regular treatment with tulsi. And another remedy I would like to share. Takes 2 grams of each of these ingredients are taken and ground together. Dry ginger and gum from the bark of a neem tree, little bit ajwain seeds, tamal patra and equal amount of the 5 parts of the tulsi plant. The powder so prepared is boiled in 100 grams of water till 1/4 of the water remains. The extract is cooled and strained. Such extract should be taken regularly. It will cure most of the women diseases, friends. Yes, friends. All the formula related to tulsi and what ingredients should be used you may see in my description box, friends. So I hope this information will be very helpful to you and your family. Friends, I would like to say that we put great efforts. So please, if you really like it, then only give a like and do subscribe my channel for more such informations. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day. Jai Shri Krishna, friends.